But if you'll put God in your life first, seek ye first the kingdom and all his righteousness, he will add all these things unto you. And do you see, I got it right here in Proverbs 16:2, and you read it for yourself. It says, all the ways of man are clean in his own eyes, but the Lord weigheth the spirits. You see, all the ways of man are clean in his own eyes. You see, you saying, well, Brother Rick, who are you? You're telling me that we're not clean. No, you're not. You know what? It says, he says right here, all the ways of man are clean in his own eyes. You're clean as far as what you see and what you think and what you believe. But I'm telling you today, you need to go into this book and you see where you stand up against the Word of God. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't care about your tradition, your denomination, your religions. I don't care about the Muslims or anybody in that sense of all these false religions and teachings. Ladies and gentlemen, be assured that Jesus Christ is tired and fed up, and he is telling you today, you need to get clean.